Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to manage notifications on Amazon on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open the Amazon application on your device. Well, after that, here you can press the three line at the bottom right corner and then select notifications. Okay, and then here you can manage the notification between three options: account and shipping, deals and recommendation, and feedback. And then you can allow the notification or deny it as you need it. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to manage notification on Amazon on an Android device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.